I'm Star.
I'm Jack.
And today we are making
gingerbread cookies.
because it's Christmas time, because it's December and I've already got my Christmas tree up. But we were supposed to have a Christmas tree, Jack.
We couldn't find them.
Oh no. We have to do something Christmassy. I know, I've got an idea. Ready? We're gonna do some magic. 1, 2, 3. So, now we've got our Christmas Santa hats on. You look like a little elf. We are going to make, oh I've forgotten now, what we're making.
Gingerbread cookies.
Gingerbread cookies. I love gingerbread. So, what do we need and what are we going to do first?
So we are going to mix our ingredients together first.
Okay.
Make the dough.
Excellent.
Batter, whatever it is.
I think it's dough.
So we are going to be beating the butter with an electric whisk. But if you have a stand mixer, it says to use that.
Okay.
We don't have one.
It says softened butter in our recipe, so I have
Melted it.
accidentally melted it by putting it on the heater and forgetting about it, so the butter went all over the floor, and yeah, we won't mention that. So melted or softened, I presume softened would be better
Yes.
than melted butter. How much do we need?
2/3 a cup or 150 grams.
2/3 of a cup or 150 grams of
Butter.
softened
Butter.
melted.
Doesn't look
Let's
melted.
see, no it is, look, it's coming out then. Okay, uh-oh, there is butter going everywhere. So, while I very professionally fill my cup with butter, why don't you go hit subscribe and like our channel? No, subscribe on our channel and like on our video, because we love your support and we love to see you here more. And every week we are back with a new recipe. Sometimes they are sweet, sometimes they are savoury. At the minute we are doing Christmas because it is December, so we're going to be doing anything Christmassy. There we go, right, there's 1/3 of a cup.
Okay.
Roughly 2/3 of a cup.
So now you're going to whisk this until it is softened.
Go on then.
How do I do this?
Isn't it weird, right?
What?
When it's bigger, it wraps up and it's fine. But when you make it smaller, it's really hard to get the wrapper to like wrap around it.
Because you wrapped it up. You wrapped it weird.
There we go, I'm getting there. We've beaten our butter. Beaten.
Softened. We have
Softened. No, we've not.
It says beat to soften.
Okay, so beat to soft, but what we've done is we've got it all stuck in the beater.
Yes. Okay, so now we need the sugar, the treacle, and the
Golden syrup.
that one.
Okay, I have light
Right. Muscovado.
muscovado sugar. That's very posh. So,
I looked it up on Google and I forgot what it said.
light muscovado sugar is the sugar that you are supposed to put in this recipe. You can just use soft brown sugar if you don't have any light muscovado sugar. How much of this? It smells like treacly. I think that's the difference.
Smells very nice.
Really
2/3 of a cup.
2/3 of a cup. Again, so the same amount of sugar as butter.
Yes.
I would dip my 2/3 of a cup in the sugar.
But it's covered in butter. This is, oh, what are you? You got the scissors so you wouldn't spill it.
I did. I said that right before we started. I said, I'm going to get scissors so I can open the sugar without spilling it. And then I poured it all over the table.
We went in the bowl.
Right.
Okay.
One.
One of them.
Uh-oh.
Another one of them. You are making a...
I'm not good at this. Maybe we should
Put it in.
There we go. 2.
2. Well done.
There, great. And now we need some
Now it
treacle.
says beat in 1 by 1.
Oh, okay. 1 by 1.
So you beat this in first and then you have the gold syrup.
Right, so we've beaten the
Beaten.
butter and sugar together.
Now we need the golden syrup.
Golden syrup, right. This hat's too big for me and it keeps falling on my
This
head.
hat's too small for me.
Maybe we should swap hats.
I think they're the same size.
Okay, I have golden syrup. How much?
Half a cup.
Half a cup. That's
Maybe.
not a half cup.
Yes, half a cup.
I need another measure. Whoa.
There you go.
Half a cup. Ready, steady, syrup.
Very steady syrup. That's a lot of syrup.
I'm just wondering how many grams half a cup is of syrup.
Okay, so that would be 150 grams.
Excellent.
That's nice.
Half a cup of syrup.
Now we...
See that?
Yep.
Cool.
Alright, this is sticky. Okay. I'd say that's mixed in.
Mixed?
Yeah.
Mixed.
So now we're going to need the treacle.
Excellent. This is black treacle, is that the right one?
Yes, I imagine, don't I? Yeah, black treacle.
Okay, good. Because that's the only one we have.
We need a tin opener.
No, we don't.
Oh no, it's one of those ones.
No. It's like opening a tin of paint.
Okay, so you're going to need 1/8 of a cup of this,
What?
or 50 grams.
Okay.
When you open it. Come on.
Should have used a knife really, rather than a buttery teaspoon. There we go, yo! I did it. Okay. What now?
1/8 of a cup.
What's an eighth of a cup? That's like half of a
quarter.
quarter. So do we have a quarter cup?
We do have a
Okay. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Yeah, there's syrup going everywhere. You're gonna have to rescue me. Quick!
What do you want
Take
to
this!
do?
Take this! The yellow.
It is 1/8 of a cup. Bye!
So, for reference, treacle is really different to syrup. It's really, really thick and tar-like, and if you tip it out of the tin, it goes everywhere and it's really difficult to get off. So, I'm back. How are you going?
Not well.
It's okay, I think I put more than the right amount in there anyway, so there you go. Okay, so
We have our batter.
this looks like toffee. I really want to try it. Can I try it before the egg goes in?
If you want,
Yeah.
don't
So-
you think it'll be nice?
Next step is to try the batter.
It's not even got ginger in yet.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Ooh,
Not nice.
it's like really, really sugary,
Yeah, it's just sugar.
sweet butter.
See, the eggs and vanilla.
How many eggs do we need?
One.
One egg. Okay.
So,
Okay. Really?
yeah, okay. So you're going to need
I'm gonna do that way.
I'm holding the whisk, it won't stand up.
You can.
It doesn't stand up.
Oh, look at it not standing up.
Yes, it is.
Fine.
Where'd you crack that? Okay.
It's going in, right?
No. Just kidding. Yes,
Yeah.
it goes in
Okay.
with the vanilla extract and then we beat it. Okay, so we need
Egg. I've got vanilla extract. How much egg? How much egg?
1 teaspoon of that.
1 teaspoon of vanilla, normally known as vanilla extract. If you're wondering and haven't seen any of our other videos, I use the lid because the lid is a teaspoon. I've measured it before and it's easier and so you wash it up.
Okay, so next you're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl and then beat line. Do we have a spoon?
Yeah. Where did it go?
Oh no.
Here.
Treacle.
Treacle spoon.
Yeah. Can't do this with my left hand.
Do you want me to hold that?
Yeah, you can hold that.
Okay. Well, the wire's in the way because yeah, camera's on the other side. There we go. There, we've done it. Please comment what you would like us to make. We're going to be making Christmas recipes over the next of September. No? September?
December.
December. And so any more Christmas recipes you can think of, whether they are savoury or sweet, we don't mind, we'd like to make them. So yes, we're going to do this. So we have beaten that and put a beautiful pattern in it, like an owl. So we will need
Flour,
flour.
baking powder, and salt.
Okay, so I have
I don't think it says salt.
plain flour, is this correct?
Yeah. Flour, baking powder, and ginger. No salt.
Okay.
There's no salt. So we need
Plain flour. Uh-oh.
1 1/4 cup.
1 1/4 cup of flour.
The treacle
Oh,
cup.
okay, please may I have a cap?
Here is your cup.
Okay, 1 cup.
You're struggling to speak
up.
today.
I am, not doing very well. It's early in the morning, we're making these really early.
Not really.
Happen for 11 years.
It's 10:30.
Shh. It's dark outside. It's stormy.
It's 1 cup and 1/4 cup.
Okay. That's about a quarter.
Sure.
There we go. Okay, how much baking powder do I need?
It's a teaspoon.
A teaspoon. Right, so I lick the teaspoon.
Well, I can't get out.
Yeah, let's have the tablespoon.
We're not
We're
playing.
not putting a tablespoon in.
1/3 of that.
1/3 of a tablespoon is a teaspoon, so...
That's not even going to fit.
No, it's okay, we're good, we're good.
That's way more than a third.
No, that's about half. That,
No.
that,
Sure.
there we go. Teaspoon of baking powder.
Okay, so now you're going to need salt.
Okay, I have salt, so I'm going to magic salt. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so we're going to need a pinch of that.
A pinch. Okay.
Flour, baking powder, and ginger.
Ginger.
Oh, ginger. We've got the ginger.
Here's the ginger.
How much ginger?
How much ginger do we need?
My job. 1 tablespoon.
So, right.
1 tablespoon of that.
Is that about right? You can't have too much ginger in gingerbread.
No. The ginger in. Who's the ginger?
Um.
Stop putting ginger in.
There.
1 tablespoon.
That's about a tablespoon. I like gingery ginger biscuits.
Tip in the flour, baking powder and ginger along with a pinch of salt and then beat in the flour.
Okay.
But we already put the flour in.
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Are you sure we're using the mixer for this?
It says on a low speed.
Okay.
I might not need the mixer.
Alright, while you mix that, I'm going to magic all the mess away. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
What? Okay.
We have mixed dough and
Tidy.
less mess.
We had to switch to a spoon because it was a bit hard to mix with the whisk.
Yes, and also, if you need to, you might need to add more flour. So judge your dough. If it's far too sticky, you need to add flour.
It is meant to be soft. It's like what you're going to do next is scrape it into a bowl and cover and then put in the fridge for 8 hours or overnight. You don't have to do it for this long, but it does improve the flavour.
So, we shall now magically chill this and come back with our ball of dough. Ready, steady,
Ta-da! Okay, so we have chilled this dough.
and it is now ready to turn into biscuits. So this is our flour surface, and then what we're going to do, we're going to get...
So we're going to scoop out a little bit of this,
Okay.
ish, and then roll it out to 2 millimeters thick.
Okay.
Ta-da! Okay, so now you're going to roll it out
So we got a rolling pin.
to about 2 millimeters thick.
Okay. Let's squish it up a bit first. 2 millimeters.
2 millimeters. It rises, it's got baking powder in.
Oh, right. Okay. It's very soft dough.
Yes,
Is correct.
it's meant to be soft.
So we are going to
Cut these with a...
circle or a man. But
Just
we
a
don't have a
circle or
man,
a
so
man.
we've got circles. What do you
We
reckon?
don't even have circles.
Should we
these are
do
weird
teeny tiny
bumpy
ones or medium sized ones?
things. These ones.
Medium. Okay, go for it. Let's circle cut the dough.
Yeah.
That's one way of doing it. You're going to put it on a prepared baking tray.
Lines.
So we've
Baking.
lined it with
These are very floury.
greaseproof paper, and then we're going to spread them out.
It's a lot of flour.
You're supposed to be doing this. Oh no, I'm destroying that one.
What are you doing?
You do it. You're better.
Why am I doing this?
Because I destroy them. So you're going to spread them out on the tray because they're going to rise, so you don't want to put them right next to each other or they'll stick together.
Oh, brilliant.
And that's okay. So we're going to fast forward a little bit, so you don't have to watch us cut every single cookie out. We're going to keep going with all the dough until we finish.
Okay.
So,
Sorry, you can talk.
who's going to say it?
Okay, so these are now going to be chilled in the fridge for half an hour.
And then,
And then we're going to cook them for 10 to 12 minutes. Depending on how crisp they are.
and how hot does the oven need to be?
Oh yes, so you need to preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius, 150 degrees Celsius on a fan, or gas mark free.
That was well remembered. We are going to chill these, throw them in the oven. Well, put them in the oven carefully. And then we are going to magic cooked biscuits for us to try. So, ready?
Okay.
So,
You talk.
oh, okay, right, we've got our cooled, cooked, and slightly cooled again gingerbread cookies.
Correct.
Yes. The reason we have slightly cooled again is
Because you cannot remove them from the tray. Baking paper, whatever. You can't remove them from wherever you cook them on before they're cooled, otherwise they will do something, I don't know, it doesn't say.
not form. I think as they cool, they go harder.
Yeah.
So they're still gooey when you take them out.
So they'll just
these
break.
ones are still hot, so these ones we won't remove because we cut them in batches. These ones
These
on the
ones
other
are
hand,
good.
I think they're fine. So yeah, they're good. Look, they look like biscuits as well because they're solid. Oops.
Yeah, you can store these in the
Okay,
freezer, or you can keep them in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
That was cool. So you can freeze them and then defrost them and eat them.
Yes.
Sounds good.
I don't know how long you can keep them frozen for.
These are, I mean, not particularly great looking, but presumably great tasting cookies. They smell absolutely amazing. So we're gonna try them. Are you gonna try one? I'm gonna try this one.
It's rigid.
What do you reckon?
not very gingery. You have to taste it's quite gingery.
Yeah, there's not, it doesn't bite into them and go, ooh, ginger. The aftertaste does. They've got the right texture, so they're soft, not hard on the edge, but like soft in the middle. So they're really nice, but personally, I will put more ginger in them. Really good. So, thank you for watching today. We're Fan Food Delicious. We love it when you come and watch our videos, and if you comment below, that would be really helpful for us, because this is a brand new channel and we're making all foodie things, and we love your company. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the little bell, because that tells you like when our videos come out.
On that side.
It's on that side. Hit that little bell. And we'll be back next week with something else Christmassy. I don't know what. Comment below what you want us to make, and we'll see what we can do. So thanks for watching. Bye.